Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand how to create constant constructor in Dart programming language. For that, I say const constructor dot dart and here I say main. For that, I am creating again a class sum and here I create a constructor. I called it const constructor const sum, remember? And here I pass the value. I say this n1, this n2 and 2 like this, and here I say where n1 or n2. Remember that in a class where you want to create a const constructor, you need to create a final variables. Remember that final variable. So these variables should be final. Remember that number cannot be final where. Remove. So final should be final, not a where. First thing. Now we have to put this also like this. Remember? So these variables should be final, means constant type of variables that will get memory after executing this. Now I try to call a method. I say void add. Here I say print and I say sum equal to, then this I say n1 plus n2 like this. Remember that this is the constant constructor. Now we go there. I call this sum s1 equal to sum. Remember, I need to pass the value here like this. Then I say s1 dot add. Try to execute it. No problem. Now, why we are calling this constructor? Remember that in this constructor, if I create a normal variable n3 like this, so this is an error, you see. You cannot define a const constructor for a class with non-final field. Remember that const constructor is only valid if all the instance variable here are final. So normal variables cannot be part of a class which have a const constructor. Remember that. So it is not possible. We have to remove this first thing here. You have to understand. Now, how many constructor you can create like this? Suppose I say like this, only one, because no parameterized constructor would be more than one. So can I create named constructor? So I try to create, I say sum1, I say this dot n1 like this, you see, error sum, you saying all final variable must be initialized, but n2 is not. Try to initialize this, means you have to initialize this also and 2. So if I'm initializing this also, I'm not able to freeze this to make free. So these two are same constructor, no need to create this one. So you can create named constructor, but no need to, because all the variables you have to initialize. So this one is sufficient. So you can create const constructor in a class if all the fields of that is final. Remember that I have given you example here live. Everything is running in front of you. So you understand how we can use const constructor in Dart programming language. If you learned something, if you got some knowledge, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.